Hi, I'm Brittany, and I'm going to show you how I use Shiseido's HASU FUDE foundation brush. So what's great about this brush is that it has an angled edge to it, which is great for precise coverage. It's also a little bit smaller, so it fits in your hand perfectly. So today, I'm going to be using the Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Liquid Foundation. And what I like to do is start from the center and blend out. And what's great about this is that it really gets into all the contours and fine lines of your face, so you really get an even coverage. And what's also amazing about this brush is that everything was handcrafted in Japan with 100% synthetic fibers, so it's great for powders, liquid foundations, or even a compact for an overall flawless finish.